Welcome to Ampco, the advanced manufacturing and printing company. For over 50 years, Ampco has been at the forefront of innovation, delivering precision, quality, and reliability to every project we take on. Our state-of-the-art 63,000 square foot facility is where we design, manufacture, and assemble your custom parts and products. What started as a vision has grown into a trusted name in manufacturing and printing. At our core, we are a manufacturer and supplier of custom OEM parts and products built to meet the exact needs of our clients. From concept to completion, every detail matters, and it shows in the craftsmanship and consistency we deliver. It's people. Our team is the driving force behind everything we do. Collaboration, experience, and a shared commitment to excellence fuel our success every single day. Whether it's engineering, production, or design, teamwork is what turns ideas into reality. And just as we invest in our work, we invest in our people. At Ampco, physical and mental wellness are priorities. We believe a strong, healthy team creates a stronger company, and that culture is reflected throughout our facility. But Ampco is more than machines and materials. Our team of over 100 manufacturing, graphics, and print professionals deliver your project on time and on budget. Creativity also plays a key role in our process. Our custom graphics capabilities bring products to life, combining technical precision with visual impact. We are a company with the resources and the reliability you need to get the job done effectively and economically. Innovation, craftsmanship, teamwork. This is Ampco.